in both Eastern spirituality and traditional Japanese martial arts. The highest levels of knowledge are rarely found in books or public lectures. Instead, they rely on direct transmission, a profound nonverbal transfer of insight or energy from teacher to student. Hinduism and Buddhism. Shaktipat, the Indo-Tibetan traditions. This concept is most clearly seen in Shaktipat. It is the descent of grace, where an awakened guru transmits spiritual energy to a disciple to awaken their Kundalini or innate Buddha nature. This isn't a lecture on philosophy. It is a spiritual ignition. Transmission can occur through a touch, a glance, a word, or even a thought. The core idea is that the truth is beyond words of avachya, because the intellect cannot grasp the absolute. The teacher bypasses the student's mind to communicate directly with their consciousness. Japanese martial arts. Jikiden, the Japanese Budo traditions. This is known as Jikiden, direct transmission. Historically, the secret techniques okuden of a school were not written down in manuals available to the public. They were handed from the headmaster to a chosen successor. Jikiden is more than just learning a physical move. It is the transmission of the feeling or spirit of the art. Through years of physical proximity and intense practice, the student begins to mirror the teacher's timing, breath, and presence. Like Shaktipat, Jikiden assumes that the most vital essence of the art is incommunicable through text. It must be felt in the body and soul. The correlation, heart to heart. The fundamental link between these two is the concept of Ishin Denshin, from my heart to yours. Both traditions share three key pillars. Lineage. Knowledge is validated by an unbroken chain of masters, ensuring the flame remains pure. Receptivity. The student must be a clean vessel. Without devotion in Shaktipat or discipline in Jikiden, the transmission cannot take root. The limits of language. Both frameworks believe that symbols and words are merely pointers. The actual thing is an experiential state that can only be shared through direct contact. In essence, whether seeking enlightenment or martial mastery, direct transmission suggests that the deepest truths are caught, not taught.